Ken Long, Tortoise Capital, sniper trade of the day for April 29th, 2026. This is Intel 10-minute charts. Yesterday, the blue box is the last 30 minutes of the day. 2 is the gap up. That's the first 10-minute bar highlighted in green. The mechanical entry would be on a breakout of 3, and there it is at 4. Standard risk box of about $1.50. It moves out smartly in our direction. Add a second position at 6. At 5, excuse me. Standard risk is at 5, $1.50. Second position at 6. Third position at 7 on continued momentum. First little pullback. The RL10 is still positive. That's the green line. At 8, however, it peaks. Price is slowing down. So now we're stalking an exit. It rolls over, comes to the spine of the dragon at 9 for our exit for about 6R. Sells off to the PSAR, holds. We get a 1, 2, 3 re-entry at 11. Standard risk of $1. Grinding, grinding, grinding. Slight improvement. Getting near the end of the day, we just take an exit for 1R at 13. That's the sniper trade of the day. Come on to find out how we do it.